Guys, welcome to my channel where I share tricks and tips on digital marketing and how to make money online. Another inspirational videos just for you. If you are a new timer on this channel, please click the subscribe button and make sure you subscribe and click the notification to ensure that you get new videos from me. You get notified by YouTube when I post new videos that will help you in digital marketing and to make massive sales online. I welcome you to my channel once again, and I know you do so well to enjoy it. Thank you very much. If you are a returning subscriber and this current video you are watching has added value to you, please don't forget to like and use the hashtag that is attached in the comment section. Thank you. Very soon, our data will now be stored inside DNA. A breakthrough in scientific research has just landed. A researcher called Nick Goldman stored data inside DNA. Listen to him. Before I show you, I want to appreciate NASDAILY for sharing this online. Now, watch the video now and let me know your view in the comment section. Thank you.
In Cambridge, United Kingdom, this scientist built the biggest hard drive in the world, and he made it using DNA.
Hi, I'm Nick Goldman.
His work requires him to download hundreds of terabytes of data. That's when he realized his computer would run out of space very soon. So he thought, why not store data on DNA from cells? He converts digital files into DNA code. Basically, Nick turned DNA into a super small hard drive that you can't even see. With DNA, you can store unlimited movies and music and files forever. This technology is in the very early stages, but in another 10 or 20 years, you might be able to store trillions of terabytes into something as small as this. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.